Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, November 19th. Just got one economic news release scheduled for today, and that's the Employment Cost Index for the third quarter. So, the last reporting came out was a 0.5% increase, and the forecast was supposed to remain the same, and came in a little less. So, employment cost wasn't as big as what we've seen in the last reporting. So, good news right there. We're just going to jump over to the headline news because remember tomorrow and Thursday will be the big days we got we'll have the FOMC minutes being released. We'll have the retail sales coming out. So a couple of those days we're going to have some volatile news. So right now the stock market's down, even though they started up this morning and now they're currently down. Some of the things that kind of spooked the markets towards the end of the day yesterday and kind of reverberated a little bit today. Some comments that were made by Carl Icahn basically saying that he's concerned about where the price levels of stocks, that he's real concerned that maybe there might be some corrections happening. So it kind of spooked the markets a bit late in the day yesterday, as well as got emphasized today by a post that was out there. Also, I didn't put it in here, but check out MarketWatch. They had a pretty interesting article in there about a columnist over in the New York Post basically thinking that the data coming out for the unemployment were basically all fraud. So take a look at that. It was actually the accusations being made by, I believe his name was John Crudell. So take a look at sometime on marketwatch.com. They have a little blog on there talking a little bit about this columnist and his accusations with it, and they've been trying to see if the government will respond to it, and basically, they deny it, but there's yet to be determined if they'll be investigating that or not. Obviously, that would make a big difference, as we've been seeing jobs numbers, and the government basically, or the Fed basically, has said that they're going to go ahead and if they hit certain numbers on the unemployment, then they're going to taper. But if that's fraud, that could play a big role in how the Fed decides if they're going to taper or not. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bond and see what interest rates are doing. We did pull back today. We hit the 30-day mark and pulled back. So now we're testing the floor. So we're down about 101.56, whereas yesterday we were up 101.84. So that's about 18 basis points. So that's a little worse in our pricing today as a result. Again, tomorrow could be a big day for us, or even Thursday. As we mentioned, we got 2 days with chock full of important news that'll be coming out. All right, so stay tuned for perhaps a bumpy ride next 2 days here. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. And again, stay tuned for tomorrow. See what news brings to us.